Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have got another unboxing here to do from Boston Scally Company. First though, I got a couple things I got to do. I made a mistake in my last video of saying that Skydog Reviews is the one who came with about the stackable coupons, and that's no longer available anyway. But John, sorry I did get that mixed up. Skydog is the one that actually tagged me to notify me that those coupons were working, but John is the one who actually created the post. And so that being said, John, sorry, I misspoke there, but we got a box from Boston Scally, and it's going to be another rose. This is, I believe, the 16th rose. You know, I never heard of 16 roses before. I mean, usually you buy them in the bouquet. Bouquet is 12 roses, a dozen roses, maybe 24 roses. And so they're at 16 for somehow. I thought for sure that they were going to stop at 12 and then maybe come out with something different. It would be cool if they would have stopped at 12 and then maybe did like a another kind of flower for like flat panel caps and then release those every holiday or whatever it might be. And, you know, and I'm not saying they'll be still named like Valentine flat cap or Valentine petunia. I don't know what it might have been, but I just think that, you know, they're just, I mean, obviously it's a moneymaker for them and they're great caps and I'm not going to stop, you know, because I got to have the whole collection. Well, that being said, there is a Boston Scally unboxing and this is the Winter Rose. I really like the colors and it came up, you know, you think they put things in a bigger box, okay? You know, I'm just saying it's an 8x6x6 box, and you know, you get these things folded up like this, and I mean, it's just a dust bag. Who cares? But it's not the, you know. And then you get to just stuff the cap in there, and what I do with the darn anyway. But there's the receipt there. I did get the pin as well. And this is what the pin looks like for the Winter Rose. And I got a pretty cool video coming out tomorrow. Now that I completed the rose collection again, I'm actually going to do a ranking of all the roses of the one my least favorite to my favorite rose. And this pin is really on there good. There we go. But here is the Winter Rose pin. As you can see there. Pretty cool looking pin. And then the cap, Winter Rose cap. Let me take this cardboard out of here. This is like some tans, blues, a little bit more of a darker brown or like a brownish color. I really like the colors, and I didn't think I was gonna really care for it, but like I said, this is extra large as well. I'm hoping this isn't too big. You know, Boston Scally sizing. I bought a couple medium larges with the rose collection. Luckily, I'll buy 2 of each, but that they were just too tight. And, you know, usually I'm a 59 centimeter, but it is what it is. But this is the Winter Rose. I love the, of course, you got the vinyl thing for us bald-headed people that get a nice little, when you pick it up, you feel like suction cup to your head. But, yeah. And then we got the dust bag. Go ahead and get this bad boy open. And dust bag is here now. That is what it looks like. Pretty cool looking dust bag. But yeah, what I was saying about ranking the roses, I'm actually in the process, as you can see over here, I'm actually steaming them all right now. And they take 30 minutes a cap. And so I'm going to be up quite a bit of the time tonight while I do that. But we're going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up of the Winter Rose. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to try it out. There's a close-up of the Winter Rose. This is a great looking cap. I really do like the colors. There's the other roses just waiting to be steamed. I got one done so far. That is the Irish Rose up there. And, but yep, that is the Winter Rose. Great looking cap. Hopefully it fits nice. And I'll end up steaming this too. I won't steam it on this review because I just want to get these other ones done first. And I'm pretty sure that this one will not be near the bottom of my favorite roses when I do the rankings. But yeah, here it is there. And we're going to go ahead and try it on now. I'm going to try this bad boy on, this Winter Rose. And then I also want to thank the people in my chat, in the chat that I did on the Scally Crew, where I was just, I was having kind of like a brain fart and I couldn't remember all the roses, the ones that came out. And I didn't remember how many there were. I knew I had them all. I just didn't know how many there were for me to look for. So thanks for all those people who put those in the comments. Also really want to thank Mike Dietz. He actually listed them all. So that way I knew which ones were which. And here it is, the winter rose. Let's go ahead and try this one on here. Yep, fits good. That's good. I'm really impressed with that. I was worried about it being too big. But yeah, that's a sharp looking cap. That is a good one. That is a nice one. Wow. That looks good. I mean, it looks classy. It's not like, most of the roses are classy. I mean, there's a couple of them I just can't stand that. I'm going to be honest with you, out of all the 16 that I have, I maybe wore them a handful of times, like all together, not just by one, but like, yeah, I just don't wear them very often. It's more of a, oh, Ace wants in. What's up, bud? How you doing? You doing good? Yeah, people haven't seen you in a while. But yeah, this is the winter rose. And I'm going to go ahead and rank this one out of 5 on the, we're going to do the point system as well. We are going to do I'm going to say a nice 4.2 here. 4.2, 4.3. We'll go with 4.3. This is up there in the roses. And this might be, this is good quality cap. I really like it. We're going to see how it ranks with the other ones when I do that ranking tomorrow. Make sure you guys watch that tomorrow. It's going to be a long video because I'm going to go through each one of the roses. But that is it there. Oh, I forgot to put the pin on. Let me put this pin on real quick. How did I forget about the pin? Yeah, no, Ace. If you wouldn't have said nothing, I would have never remembered. I would have forgot all about putting the pin on here. Yeah, I know. Cheese and crackers, Ace. Cheese and crackers. All right. So there it is with the pin now. Yeah, even that pin looks nice. What do you think, Ace? You like it? Yeah? Yeah? All right. Reviews and moves here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody tomorrow when I do the rankings on all the roses. We're going to call it the War of the Roses. Have a good one now.